I was trying to get all the passengers to the door, but I guess they couldn't wait.
Just to make sure. This should be enough to fix my problem. Please don't crash my computer. Please don't crash my computer. Oh my god, the whole game is lagging just by placing those. Uh-oh. Here we are today to mourn the loss of my GPU. Oh no! I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I broke it all. Oh, it's lagging my whole computer. Ah! There we go. Yes. Ah! Karmic retribution. Oh my god! Get me out of here! Whoa! I did not think about buildings crashing into other buildings. That's so cool. Somebody's washing machine fell. Probably gonna need that. Yeah, I'll put it back inside. Who owns these? I try to put them back in.
All under 60 seconds.
That was good. Happy with that. Happy with that. Happy with that. Oh, I'm so good at this now. A little too early. Don't think that'll cost me too greatly. A little too early. Three, two, one.
Castaways, we are castaways.
Bro,
This man bought some croissants. What the fuck? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me?
Предъявите платчик. Нарушение запретить. Вызываю наряд карателей. Нарушение. Предъявите чип, согласие с поправками. Нарушение 1, 2, 456, 9, 146. Говорите ли что?
Баклав, потереть надо! Жить вы дома один раз! Я